guys, I'm going to go over the single arm downward dog with reach out. So this is really a full body exercise, but it definitely hits the core, hits the lower back, as well as the shoulders. It even requires a little of a balancing act as well. So if you're familiar with some of the stretching poses that we do, some of the yoga poses, this may be familiar for you. So what we'll do is we'll begin in a downward dog type position, but the difference is you'll notice my legs will be out wide. Okay? So from here, what I'm going to do is I have my reach out, engage in the back, reach back through, and out. Feel as if you're elongating, and through, out, through. Now when you reach back, you want to try and push those hips up to the sky. And that right there is a single arm downward dog with reach out.